Out of 4 if he gets this.
2 or a 4?
2 out of 4 if he gets this.
Alright.
I like your pace. Keep up the pace. Keep it on cruise control. Seatbelt's going down. Glasses off for eye contact. Arms out! I'm in the blind spot!
Yeah! Give him a thumbs up.
Success.
Look, this is pretty amazing.
We got Kevin Clark on the wheel.
Edward Harder started off 1 for 3, which is
subpar.
Subpar. It's horrible if we're being honest about it. Here they come. But then he came back. He rallied.
I don't know. Is this the one?
Is this the one? Is this the one?
Could be the one. If it's enough space.
He's isolated. He's isolated. He's isolated.
This could be 10 for 8 for 10, folks.
8 for 10. Here he goes. He's going for it. He's going for it.
Oh no! Oh no! Come on, get it!
Got him.
That just happened. That just happened.
That just happened to your ass. He took both hands off the wheel.
This is incredible, folks. This is incredible. Mr. Harder, how do you feel after this amazing
I feel great. I feel great. This is a major accomplishment in my life. I'm glad you guys were part of it.
Your voice just cracked. Are you
I'm tearing up a little. I want to thank my driver, Kevin Clark.
Kevin Clark, the driver. Kevin, what role did you play in this whole situation? I was gonna say one day I'll have kids and this won't meet anywhere near.
Hey, can you
We're going to retire Ed Harder's
I'm going to do it with one pull.
One pull.
Yeah!
Michael Jordan! Thumbs up, thumbs up. Get thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Michael Jordan.
With one pull of the horn.
We'll call that the move. That's the move. That's the harder.
Hey, just for you. Toot toot.
That's slow-mo.
Ah!
I got little arms.